Step 1. Settings. Additional settings. Application management. Installed. Google Play Store. Select clear data. If this doesn't solve the problem, go to the next step. Now I will show you step 2 if the previous one didn't work. Go into settings. Okay, look for accounts or accounts and sync. Okay, this is how my view look like. Depending on the model of the phone, it varies. Okay, you can see select Google in the list. Okay, these are the accounts which have been signed in. Sign out of all the accounts, select it. You can see remove account. Has been done. In a similar manner, remove the other accounts. Restart your device and sign in into the account when you access the Google Play Store, and that should fix the problem.